How to log into AusPost Mastercard account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open any of the browser. Here I'm gonna open Google Chrome. At the top you can see that search bar, type in there AusPost login card. You will land to this kind of page. Now you have to click on this very first link, log into your everyday Mastercard. Click on it. Now from here you can easily type in the details and log into your AusPost Mastercard. All you have to do is first you have to type in your card number in this way. Likewise, enter your email address and then type in your password. In the case you want to save your login info, put tick mark on this option remember me. Likewise, in the case you have forgot your password, you can click this option forget password and you have to put tick mark over here, I'm not a robot. Click on login and you will be logged into your AusPost Mastercard account. This was it. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.